YouTube. Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here, sis, sir, miss, Mr. Miss. So today I'm using the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. This packaging is definitely different from the other ones. It's like real hard and it clamps, I guess, to keep the air out. But these are the nice pretty colors right here. And the palette itself is different. It's usually black. It's not like this pink. I don't have any other palettes like this. If you are a returning viewer, I appreciate you for staying tuned in and being tuned in with your girl. Let's just get into this makeup look. I think I'm gonna go into, I've been doing a lot of purples lately. This purple right here, which is Total Mood. This purple right here. And go into the crease, outer crease with that. It's very pigmented. I think I'm gonna put this in the inner also, like this. I want to do something simple, so I'm just gonna go into this pink shade, which is Call Me Gorge. This nice pink shade right here. Make it do what it do, baby. Ooh, that's cute. Next, I'm gonna go into this purple shade, which is Playtime, and buff out the edge. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is Melt Hearts. Put the wing line on. The flick of the wrist was so strong, I flicked the wing line and messed up, but it's okay. So it's just a simple, you know, spotlight little look. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, peace.